Lord's cricket ground, where centuries of history meet the cutting edge of AI. On this iconic turf, algorithms are analyzing every bounce and run. Look at this bat. Embedded sensors track velocity in real time. High-speed cameras track the ball trajectory and spin with millimeter accuracy. Inside the nets, mapping data optimizes swing paths and perfects contact angles. Hitting the sweet spot is no longer just feel. It's a mathematical equation. AI calibrates the stance, tracking backlift alignment for maximum power delivery. Watch the footwork. Pressure plates measure balance, creating optimal movement vectors. Every stroke is classified by neural networks instantly, labeling drives and sweeps. Predictive algorithms map where the next ball is most likely to land. Spin bowlers get feedback on revolutions per minute and grip release angles. Tracking release points helps batsmen anticipate deliveries a fraction of a second faster. Simulated machine bowling recreates any bowler style for perfect match prep. Immediate audio-visual feedback tells the batsman exactly how to correct their swing. Now, let's analyze bowling, where speed and trajectory define a wicket-taking ball. Biomechanical sensors protect bowlers, tracking joint stress to prevent critical injuries. AI splits bowling actions down to the millisecond, creating a perfect virtual skeleton to optimize every delivery. Biomechanics tracking measures the exact elbow angle, flagging illegal extensions instantly to ensure a clean action. High-speed cameras capture the ball's spin axis, tracking the seam orientation in mid-air for devastating swing. AI models project the ball's flight path, predicting the bounce and deviation before it even pitches. We analyze how the ball loses speed, measuring the pitch friction and moisture upon landing. Track real-time release speeds and spin rates, mapping the physics of every delivery to outsmart the batsman. Smart sensors monitor the bowler's heart rate, detecting muscle fatigue before injuries strike, keeping athletes safe. AI tracks every fielder's positioning, generating spatial heat maps of the outfield to plug the runs. Split-second tracking measures a fielder's burst speed, calculating the exact reaction time to save critical runs. Real-time algorithms suggest shifting field positions, responding dynamically to the batsman's trends. From the skies, we calculate catch probability in mid-air, evaluating the fielder's launch angle and reach for the perfect take. Predictive AI models optimize boundary coverage, guiding fielders to block high-scoring zones with precision placement. Sensors analyze throwing mechanics and shoulder stress, maximizing velocity while preventing rotator cuff injuries from the boundary line. Spatial audio alerts prevent dangerous outfield collisions, warning players when paths cross in pursuit of the high catch. Interactive cones and smart targets track agility, providing real-time feedback during practice drills to elevate performance. From mechanical execution to strategic selection, AI-driven scouting databases identify raw talent, changing the game forever. AI scans millions of matches, finding hidden player patterns. The database knows all. Scouting bots evaluate talent globally, uncovering raw, unfiltered potential. Reimagining player selection. We measure composure under fire, calculating the new pressure index. Who delivers under pressure? Virtual teams clash in milliseconds, predicting weaknesses before they happen. Perfect tactical alignment. No more gut feelings. AI removes human bias completely. Purely objective cricket science, measuring raw kinetic power. Wearable sensors track wrist acceleration and bat impact force. Live predictive models run real time, foreseeing tactical adjustments instantly. The future unfolding now. Win probabilities shift every ball. CricViz data feeds the algorithms, visualizing the victory path. Hawkeye predicts ball trajectories, mapping precision within millimeters. Science rules the decisions. Weather models adjust pitch physics, analyzing moisture and humidity impacts, ready for any condition. Simulating steep chases under lights, calculating dynamic runs required per over, mastering the run chase. AI optimizes field placements instantly, guiding the captain's critical choices, securing the winning edge. Automated summaries generate post-game, delivering instant performance insights. Every detail captured instantly. Elite AI coaching for everyone, democratizing access to high-level analysis, inspiring the next generation. Stepping into virtual match scenarios, facing elite bowlers in VR. Training without physical limits. A new era has dawned, a new journey has begun, merging heritage with futuristic science. Every detail is captured, the journey is starting. AI is rewriting cricket forever, but the human spirit remains. Let the future begin.